Gluten is a protein found in many foods, specifically wheat, rye, and barley, but it can be found in other products including vitamins and supplements, hair and skin products, toothpaste, and even lip balm. Celiac disease is a chronic autoimmune disorder where the ingestion of gluten leads to damage within the small intestine. Celiac disease affects each person differently. Symptoms commonly occur within the digestive system, but can be seen in other parts of the body as well. When a person with celiac disease eats gluten, the immune system responds by attacking the small intestine. These attacks can lead to damaged villi, which are small finger-like structures important in the absorption of nutrients. Damaged villi cannot properly absorb nutrients into the body, and therefore putting the individual at risk for nutrient deficiencies. Celiac disease does not have an exact cause, but genetics, stressful life events, and environmental factors can play a role. Genetic testing can be done to see if you carry the gene and to determine if you have an increased risk of developing celiac disease. It is not a diagnosis, and it doesn't mean you will develop it. Susceptibility to celiac disease is found by two specific HLA markers, HLA-DQ2 and HLA-DQ8. Carrying this gene puts individuals at an increased risk of developing celiac disease. First-degree family members who have the same genotype as a family member with celiac disease have an increased risk of up to 40%. A blood test is used to confirm whether an individual has celiac disease. This blood test looks at the level of deaminated gliadin antibodies in your blood. Gliadin is one of the proteins that makes up gluten. If you have celiac disease, you will have higher than normal levels of deaminated gliadin antibodies in your blood. Recent studies have found specific B cells on the gliadin molecules that, when deaminated, have an increased specificity for celiac disease. Sometimes an endoscopy may be done as well to confirm celiac disease. The blue portion of our molecule is HLA-DQ8, and the pink is a deamidated gluten peptide. Celiac disease is a chronic autoimmune disease, meaning it is lifelong, and the only treatment currently known is a gluten-free diet. Dietitians help in the process of planning a gluten-free diet. Once gluten is removed, the small intestine begins to heal and the villi start to grow. This can take several months to years, but remember that exposure to gluten may cause adverse symptoms.